I once read a book by a scientist, her name is called Renee Weber. And she said, the subtler you go to the physical level, the closer you will come to the mind. So this shows the connection between mind and the body, because the very function of the mind is, the body is possible because of the mind, its influence, and then the energy that is sent throughout our body, and which makes you then makes the movement. You see, so therefore, when we talk about connection between science and Buddhism, as I already mentioned, it's really like the connection between the mind and the body. The external, for example, if I just give you one small example, the 4 elements that we have within us, the fire, the water, and so forth, these are related to the external 4 elements, as close as that. Now imagine if your external 4 elements are polluted, as is happening today, and then the food you are going to get from those external elements, the medicine that you are going to get from those polluted external environment, and then you are going to suffer. This clearly shows the connection. And then also, if you go to the very basic idea from where Buddhism came or science came from, like the science, the Latin word for science is scientia, which means knowledge. In Buddhist, so that means the science is basically saying that you are suffering. I mean, here we are primarily talking about physical suffering, and it is saying that most of the physical sufferings that you are suffering is because you don't have the knowledge. If you have the knowledge, you don't have to suffer in heat, you can use air condition. That's how they invented it. If you have the knowledge of producing electricity, you don't have to sit in darkness. So with this idea, they made all these inventions which really made a lot of difference, a lot of progress. Similarly, in Buddhism, we say the root cause of all our problems is ignorance. So that means, again, if you have the knowledge, now here we are talking about the wisdom. If you have the knowledge, then you can remove many of this, the causes of suffering, and then you don't have to suffer. So again, the idea is very similar. The focus is a little bit, emphasis is a little bit different. One more on the external, one more on the internal.